Families in Madohi village are said to be displaced as plans to expand Delhi International Airport progress, while the government has provided compensation for homes and plantations to over 200 households. 57 families are seeking payments for the land that they claim is rightfully theirs.
Florentina Correa was born in Madohi village and has called the area home for decades.
I have nowhere else to go. I've lived here my whole life, and my children take care of me. I wish they would only evict us after I die.
The 87-year-old claimed the land belongs to her ancestor.
The government claims this land, but I know it belongs to my ancestors. I grew up here, and I know my parents and my grandparents were born and lived on this land as well.
She and her family are among the hundreds of families who were given 15 days to vacate their homes. The government is set to demolish more than 200 households in Madohi village to make way for the Delhi airport expansion. While families have received compensation for their homes and crops, 57 households are claiming they are entitled to additional payouts for their land.
We consider the government's action in the dispute over the land ownership could create serious and irreparable damage to us.
Why is the government evicting us? What did we do wrong? They are the leaders of this country and this land. If they want us to live, they need to give us fair and decent compensation.
In the coming days, when the government and RTTL come to evict us, I hope they don't use brutal force to kick us out like animals. They should treat us as humans.
Under the government guidelines for the Delhi Airport expansion project, affected property owners receive a maximum of $40 per square meter.
The resolution says the state pays $40 per square meter, but why those of us who live on the other side of the area do not get an amount of $40 per square meter for our land? Why?
This land is our private property, and now the government wants to take it away. We hold ownership documents from the Indonesian era. We are not satisfied because the government compensated our neighbors, but not us.
The land dispute case has been processed in court for over a year, but a settlement is yet to be reached.
Residents do not accept the government to compensate just for the crops and houses. The eviction has a huge social impact on their lives, and they cannot continue to live decently because the government does not compensate their lands.
The government says it has the money to pay the landowners, but they need to have proven documents.
We have the money to compensate them, but there are some decisions made before that. They are not the owners of the land. So if the National Authority for the Aviation make the payment, then we violate the law.
With eviction deadlines looming, the 57 families of Madohi are left waiting, caught between the country's rush for development and their own fight for their land rights. Vicky Madeira, Arsenio Suarez, RTTL World News.